Hi everyone, today I will introduce one of my favorite websites, which is YouTube. Everybody knows this website, and for me this is very convenient for me because after I come to America, I try to find a website which can provide lots of TV shows and vloggers video for me to see, no matter it's Chinese or American. And I subscribe lots of channels. For example, there are some Chinese TV shows, and Nana Ouyang, she is a Chinese actor, and she also plays the violin, and I very like her, and I usually to see her vlogs. And for example, this her vlog 22, and she will record her daily life. Also, there are some Chinese TV shows, such as one of my favorite. Recently, I'm looking about a TV show named 深入人心, and this one is like people sing the opera or songs.
没想到周深还有这个一面啊！对呀，你与我们大家做朋友。
And you can see this is something I don't like, is the advertisement, which always disturb me. And this is like their performance. Also, I can see lots of such as the ghost things, like the Bond Journal for beginners, or the vloggers, and some like the Tonight Show, and how to make up. So it's lots of things which I can see. That's why I like it.